All right, guys. What year is this? 2011 Charger. Okay, now no start, no crank, no nothing. Okay, one of those situations. I'm not gonna make a whole video out of this, but look, guys. Here's the key, right here. All right, pushing the key is in the vicinity. I'm pushing it now. Typically, let's see, do the door lock. Yeah, door locks work. So what does that say about the battery? The battery is semi-good because I'm sending a signal from the key to the RF module, the hub. All right, so again, y'all see that? Nothing. All right, now take the nosebleed of the key, guys. When I say nosebleed, I mean this right here. I have a video on this, but when I catch another one, I always tend to do another one. And I'm not gonna make a complete video out of this, but nosebleed of the key. Let me make sure y'all see. This key is in my hand. This is the key to the car because here's the panic. Oh, the horn don't work. The horn do work. Lock, unlock. Y'all hear that? Now, let's leave it unlocked. Pushing the button, key in the vicinity. Nothing. I'm on the brake and everything. Nothing. Take the nosebleed of the key and do this. All right. Y'all see that? That's in the event you in an emergency. Okay, now guys, let me explain this because a lot of people get that video I put out misconstrued. This is not a fix. All right, you didn't fix nothing. You just can now get home or get to a shop, preferably a dealer, so they can get you another key. All right, you will need another key. Again, I base the fact on the battery being good because I'm sitting in the car and I'm operating the door locks. Y'all hear that? But when I go to turn on the key, why isn't that same signal leaving here going to the PM? Because the key, obviously, internal problems with the key. I don't know. In fact, look at that. Key not detected. Where'd it go? Hold on. Let me push start. Look at that. Y'all see that? Key not detected. I'm going to have a nice, pretty thumbnail right here. And it goes off. So in order to start it in the event of emergency, nosebleed of the key, my feet is on the brake, push, and you start. Now, what am I about to do? Dun-dun, right here, guys. I'm about to program another key. I went over this procedure, guys. I'm sorry. I apologize. This may not be a DIY job. Okay, it's all about what your scan to, the capability of your scan to. That's really what it's all about. All right. So look at that, guys. Oil pressure. Some cars give you an oil pressure reading, some won't. Well, at any rate, I'm getting ready to program a new key, and that should. We'll look at it after I'm done programming. All right, let me go take this. I got to get the skim code, guys. A security skim code. That is a code you can retrieve from your local Chrysler, Jeep, or Dodge dealership. They will need your VIN. They may, however, ask you for proof of ownership. Okay, with the rash of theft, car theft going on, they're not just going to hand your security code over to anybody unless they can prove proof that it's theirs. All right? Yes, that's the way it is, guys. So let's go inside the shop. I may make this a complete video. Let's go inside the shop, man. Fire up the computer and I'll go through the procedure with you, but you will not be able to do this. So do not thumbs down the video. I am going on record right now saying this is not a DIY video. This is just so y'all can see how it's done at this facility. Every facility may be different. Some guy with a good scan tool may be able to do it a different way. I'm showing you how I'm able to do it here. All right, so hang tight, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, welcome back, guys. Here we are. I got the topology pulled up. We trying to get this bad boy here working. All right, so here's how we do it here at this facility here. I need to go on the RFH. Okay, RFH stands for radio frequency hub, guys. And that module I'm able to possibly, let's go to miscellaneous. I can't remember where it's at, so we're gonna try it right here, guys. Program ignition fobic. This is a fobic. Okay, all right, now I didn't get an insert, so I guess they don't want to insert. So let's click that. We're gonna program a new fobic. Let's click continue. Place the start switch in the ignition lock state, guys. You know what that means? That's good. I'm so glad they did that. You can now able to program it as if you lost your key. So think about it. How are you able to turn your key in the run position if you have no key, right? So mechanics or technician will have to, in the event that they need a key, there have to be a way to program the key with the power off. Hence this request right here is asking me to turn the switch into the lock position. All right, let's do that. Okay, so basically I'm off. Place it, sir. Let's click continue. It's asking me for the VIN. Let me get the VIN. All right, I have the pin. Let me enter that pin. I think I said VIN. Let me enter the pin. What else is gonna ask? Let's find out. Please verify that is the correct pin, sir. I pulled it off the database myself. I have the fabric. Okay, this is where I have to let you guys go. I got to go inside, read the instruction, have the fabric to be programmed readily available in your hands. Once you continue, you will need to get in the vehicle if not already and press the unlock within 30 seconds. So I got 30 seconds to do this, guys. So hold tight. I'll be right back. All right, guys, there we go. Programming of ignition fabric successful. Continue to program another key. No, I do not want to program another key. So I'll click cancel. And we are done. Let me erase any erroneous code it may have set. Now guys, let's go check out our new key. All right guys, I'm back in the car. Here's my new key. I'm hoping I do not have to use a nosebleed. So with the key in the vicinity, I should be able to just push. Let me step on the brake. There you go. No need to use the nosebleed. Turn it off. Key right here. Foot on the brake. Start up. Where's my old key? Where's my old key? It's right here. Let's see how this one works. Well, I will have to get this one out of the vicinity because it's still gonna pick this up. So yeah, so it could very well be picking up this key, but you can hang on to this key, guys. Keep it for emergency, but there's some internal circuitry failure going on inside this key. So I have just programmed another key. And this is an OEM key, guys. Now you see that Dodge. Now these keys are sold on eBay, Amazon, places like that. But if they not for $20, guys, draw your own conclusions. Okay, this key is almost maybe 200 bucks. So there's some quality behind it, and plus it's OEM authentic. All right, now that goes without saying. How could I brag on OEM when this OEM key has failed? Everything have a lifespan to it, guys. Okay, yes. Now again, you can use the $20 key. I have $20 Amazon eBay keys for all my cars. They work. It's all about the chip and the signal that comes from the key to the radio frequency hub. All right, that's what really matters. Okay, now should that be quality? Absolutely. But if $20 versus $200, okay, it's all about your finances, guys. That's what it's all about. Your decision will be made based off your finances. Oh, I didn't check. Let me make sure. Okay, lock, unlock work. Everything worked. All right, guys, I am done. That's all I have. I just wanted to run that by you guys. And again, do not thumbs down the video. This is not a DIY. If you don't have the scan tool, or if you do not have a scan tool that's capable of doing such a thing, you're gonna need one, or you're gonna have to go to a place to have one. Should you buy one? Maybe not, guys. It may be 2 times you spend $1,000 for a scan tool just to do this, and you only use it once every month. Do the math. That don't make sense, right? When you can simply take it to a place. Now, if you got to program your own key once a month, then yes, that make economical sense. But that's not your case. Then don't bother trying to search and find and purchase $1,000 scan tool just so you can program your keys. All right, I've talked and chat enough, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.